IELTSing.com presents a new online speaking test simulator. You can try it for free.
Welcome to the speaking part of the IELTS exam. What is your name?
My name is Mary.
Check pinned comment for free materials.
For part 1, you will be asked a couple of questions to know you better. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is azure blue. I find it calming and it reminds me of clear skies and peaceful oceans.
Do you prefer bright colors or dark colors?
I prefer bright colors because they make me feel energetic and lively. They create a cheerful atmosphere.
Are there any colors that you dislike?
I don't really like the color yellow. It doesn't appeal to me and I find it less attractive compared to other colors.
Are colors important to you?
Yes, colors are important to me as they can affect my mood and the ambience of space. I like surrounding myself with colors that make me feel positive and comfortable.
What is the color of your room?
The color of my room is a soft shade of green. It helps create a sense of relaxation and peace.
What are your friends' favorite colors? Why?
Some of my friends like bold colors like red and orange because they associate them with energy and passion. Others prefer calming colors like blue or purple because they find them soothing. Everyone's favorite color is personal and represents their own preferences and emotions.
Describe an electronic machine you want to buy. You should say what it is, how you know about this machine, what specific features you want from it, and explain why you want to buy this machine.
One electronic machine I am interested in purchasing is a cutting-edge smartwatch. I came across this remarkable device while browsing online tech forums and reading reviews from tech enthusiasts. The specific features that intrigue me include its advanced fitness tracking capabilities, seamless integration with my smartphone, and its stylish design. I want to buy this machine because it will not only enhance my daily fitness routine, but also provide convenience by allowing me to receive notifications and control various functions directly from my wrist.
We want to discuss a couple more questions related to the topic we have discussed. What type of products can be difficult to use initially?
Some electronic devices like smartphones or computers can be challenging to use when you first start using them. However, with practice, it becomes easier to navigate and understand how they work.
Do you think it is necessary to follow fashion trends and use the latest products?
Whether it's important to keep up with fashion trends and use the latest products depend on personal preference. Some people value staying updates while others prioritize their own style and functionality rather than following trends.
What is your opinion of people who only buy expensive things and look down on others?
I believe it is unfair when people judge other based solely on the cost of their possessions. It's important to appreciate individuals for who they are and their actions rather than focusing on material belongings.
Do you think some products are advertised too much?
Yes, they are products that are excessively advertised. Campaigns invest heavily in marketing to create hype around their products, sometimes exaggerating their benefits or using manipulative techniques to attract consumers.
How do advertisements help sell products?
Advertisements play a significant role in product sales by raising awareness, generating interest, and persuading consumers to make purchases. They create a desire for products, highlight their unique features, and show how they can improve people's lives.
Do you prefer online shopping or buying items in physical shops?
The choice between online shopping and physical stores depends on personal preference and the nature of the items being purchased. Online shopping offers convenience and a wide variety of options, while physical stores provide a hands-on shopping experience and immediate product availability.
Okay, let's review my speaking report. You can get yours on IELTSing.com. The link to this website can be found in the description. So, red underlines are grammatical mistakes. I missed an article. The correct version is a cheerful atmosphere. Again, I missed another article, the space. Another missed article. I see a pattern here. Moving to part 2. Turquoise highlights are wrong pronunciation. Enthusiasts should be enthusiasts. Finally, part 3. Another grammatical error. Incorrect word-subject agreement depend should be depends. The wrong form of the verb updates should be updated. Agreement mistake other should be others. Another pronunciation error, campaigns, should be companies. Here I should use a possessive case, people's life. The correct pronunciation is variety.
Finally, we will review the general report. You can put this video on pause to see all the details. Also, you can find instructions on how to get additional free materials from our IELTS expert in the pinned to this video comment. Happy IELTS and for the exam!